myself Srileka and ఇవాళ నేను మీకు డీల్ చేయాల్సిన టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి sorghum pests. సో ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి మనం ఏమేమి పెస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మన ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మనం ఫస్ట్ ఒకసారి డిస్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నాము. sorghum shoot fly, sorghum stem borer, and next thing sorghum milch. So these are most important pests in sorghum. So first we will discuss about shoot fly. Shoot fly. So first we will discuss about scientific name, then marks of identification, nature of damage, symptoms of damage, and then management. So first scientific name of shoot fly is Eterigona socata. Eterigona socata. And here marks of identification, how we will identify the pest in the field. So first these insects adults all look like house flies and they having 6 dark spots in females and 4 dark spots in males. On the abdomen we can see 4 dark spots in 2 rows. Okay, for example, if it is abdomen, here we can see 6 dark spots in 2 rows in females and 4 in males. Here it is a main symptom, main mark of identification of sorghum shoot fly. Then next, these maggots. So these shoot fly belongs to order Diptera. So in dipterans we call immature stages as a maggots. These maggots are pale yellowish color and measures 10 mm in size. 10 mm in size. Okay, and the eggs are cigar shaped eggs. We can observe cigar shaped is nothing but like this. Okay, so this is called cigar shaped or board shaped eggs. And then we will discuss about nature of damage. First, these maggots enter into the stem and they will affect on the growing point of the stem, and they will eat on the inner matter and they will live on that protein tissues. They will eat on that protein tissues inside the stem. So then due to this nature of damage, we can see the symptoms of dead hearts. Main central shoot will die and the dead heart, they are called as dead hearts. They can easily pulled out. And they are giving some offensive smell from that stem. Okay, and we can also see production of side tillers. More vigorous growth of side tillers also we can observe in the damaged plants. Okay, then we will discuss the oviposition and pupation. Oviposition, so they mainly lay the eggs under the leaves or ventral side of the leaves, mainly 3rd or 4th leaves. Okay, for example, here it is a leaf upper surface and here they will lay the eggs under surface or ventral surface of the leaves, and then their pupation inside the stem. These are important objectives for competitive exams. Oviposition site, they will ask oviposition site or pupation site. Okay, then management. Here in management we should use more seed rate, higher seed rate. higher seed rate. Here we can use 12 kg seed per hectare rather than 10 kg. So we do thinning in jowar. So we can remove the affected portions, affected plants. So we can do this thinning after 4 weeks of planting. So the main attack of this pest during 4 to 5 weeks of age of the plant. So after this we do thinning. After that we remove the affected portions. We retain only healthy plants. Okay. So main time of attack 4 to 5 weeks age of the plant. So next point, we should sow early sowing of crop or correct time of sowing before July 15th. So we can escape this pest. Then most susceptible variety is CSH1. This is most susceptible to shoot fly. Susceptible means CSH1 variety is easily attacked by shoot fly. So using of resistant varieties or cultivation of resistant varieties like SPV 86 and IS 1054 and etc. These are resistance to sorghum shoot fly. Then application of carbofuran 3G granules or foliar spray with prophenophos. Foliar spray with prophenophos 2 ml per liter water. So this is management of sorghum shoot fly. Then we will discuss about the next pest, sorghum stem borer. So next we will discuss about sorghum stem borer. So scientific name Chilopartellus, and it belongs to order Lepidoptera. So first we will discuss about marks of identification of the pest. So we can identify the adult. It is yellowish color, medium size, yellowish color, straw yellowish color, and having black specks at caudal end. Black specks at caudal end. Here is a picture. You can observe that here there are four or five specks, black color specks are seen at the caudal end of the forewings. You can observe on forewings. And then larva, brownish yellowish color, and brownish color head, and having number of dots on the body, number of dots or spots, black spots on the body, and that is yellowish color, yellowish whitish color larva. Okay, so this is about larva. And next thing, pupa, object type of pupa, object type, and we can see 6 spines at caudal end, and it is in red color, and we can observe 6 spines at caudal end of the pupa. Caudal end. Here we can observe 6 spines. So this is object type of pupa and having 6 spines at caudal end, and it is in reddish color. And then nature of damage. First, this larva or caterpillar enter into the stem, and they will eat on the inner material or inner matter, and they will cause damage. We can see the dead hearts, and there is no offensive smell at cut end. No offensive smell. cutting. In sorghum shoot fly, we can see the same symptom, dead hearts, but we can observe the offensive smell at cut end. Here we cannot observe any offensive smell at cut end, and here we can see the short hole symptom. Okay, this is major symptom, short hole symptom on the leaves due to biting across the leaf spindle. Biting across leaf spindle, we can observe short leaves. Sorry, short holes. Short holes are nothing but on the leaves we can observe holes horizontally in a row. Okay, this is called as a short hole symptom, and we can observe it on leaves. And then their oviposition site. Oviposition site under the leaves. They can lay the 300 to 350 eggs under the leaves in groups, and their pupation inside the stem. Pupation inside the stem. Okay, so this is about nature of damage and symptoms of damage and their oviposition and pupation. Next we will discuss about the management. Then management. Here in management, we should uproot and destroy the affected portions. Uproot and destroy or burn the affected plants. Okay, because larvae hibernate in the stubbles, so that we should burn the stubbles, or we should destroy the stubbles to avoid the or destroy the hibernating larva. And next, use high seed rate. High seed rate. After thinning, we can remove the affected plants. Then using of resistant varieties. Resistant varieties. So example of resistant varieties to stem borer or SPV 17 and CSH 7, 8. Okay. Then conservation of natural enemies like Cotacia xanthopimpla, and next spraying of chemicals or application of carbofuran 3G granules at the rate of 4 kg per acre, and we should apply at 30 to 45 days after sowing, and application should be into leaf rolls. So we can see number of caterpillar at the time of 30 to 45 days, so we should apply at the time of 30 days, and we can also spray chemical like chlorantraniliprole at the rate of 0.4 ml per liter water, and spray also should be direct into the leaf rolls. Leaf rolls are nothing but, here we can see like this. Okay, so directly into the leaf rolls, so we can observe the larvae inside this leaf roll. So that's why we should apply chemicals or granules into the leaf rolls. This is overall management about sorghum stem borer. Then next we will discuss about the sorghum midge. So first, here in sorghum midge, Stenodiplosis sorgicola. And here midges comes under order Diptera. Okay, so first marks of identification, how we will identify the pest in the field. First, these midges or adults, these adults are tiny, fragile, and they are small mosquito-like, having bright orange color abdomen, with one pair of transparent wings. wings. Either they will ask 2 wings. Okay, instead of 1 pair we can use 2 wings. Okay, so then nature of damage. This immature stages of these meats enter into the nature of damage. Maggots enter into the flowers and they will feed on the ovaries. Feed on the ovaries and they will cause flattening of the florets. Flattening of the florets. And we can observe reduce from the spikelets. Reduce from the spikelets when squeeze that spikelet. Okay, this is the indication of presence of larvae or maggots inside the spikelets. So this is very most important bit for the competitive exams. Reduce from the spikelets when squeezed is the indication of which pest in sorghum. So answer is sorghum midge. Okay, in the presence of midge we can observe reduce when squeeze the spikelets. And next thing, we can observe empty pupal cases. Empty pupal cases at under glooms. Okay, for example, here it is a sorghum. These are this is sorghum seed and here these are glooms. Here we can observe one pupa. Okay, empty pupal cases. After emergence we can observe this empty pupal cases under glooms. And we can also observe chaffy grains with holes when fly emerge out. Fly అనేది emerge అయి బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత we can observe the chaffy grains. There is no filled grains. We can observe only chaffy grains and we can observe one hole on the grains. So these are main symptoms of sorghum midge. And then we will discuss about management. So then management. Here in management we should remove the affected panicles. Burning affected leftover panicles and chaff after harvesting. To destroy the dispersing larva. And next thing, we should grow uniform varieties to obtain uniform flowering. And early sowing of sorghum will escape the pest. And resistant varieties. Some resistant varieties to midge are ICSV 197, 745. So these are resistant varieties to the sorghum midge. And then larval and egg parasitites. Larval and pupal parasitites. Tetrastricus coimbaturensis. So this is the larval and pupal parasitite. Then application of application of carbaryl dust. Carbaryl dust at the rate of 8 kg per acre on ear heads. After emergence of ear heads, after blooming of ear heads on panicle, we can spray carbaryl dust at the rate of 8 kg per acre. So this will control the sorghum midge. So these are different management practices for the control of midge. Next we will discuss about sorghum ear head bug. Marks of identification. Adults are slender in nature, long legged, and they having yellowish green color abdomen, and they are 1 mm in size and they are active flyers. Nymphs having orange color abdomen, then they will turn to green color when they grow up. And next, the nature of damage. So these nymphs and adults both will suck the sap. They will suck the sap from the grains. Due to sucking, they form shriveled, unfilled, chaffy grains with red spot on the grains, and later it will turn to black color. So here the main important objective is shriveled, unfilled, chaffy grains with red spot on the grains is due to the attack of which pest in sorghum? Soya head bug. This is most important bit for competitive exams. Okay, shriveled, unfilled, chaffy grains with red spot, and they will turn black color later times, and complete ear head turn to black color, and later it will dry. Later it dried up. Then here we can also observe varieties with compact ear heads affect more effect. So in management, first early sowing or timely sowing at first monsoon. Then avoid compact ear head varieties. And normal natural means like redo wheat bug, parasitization by redo wheat bug or lysate bug. Then we can also use carbaryl dust on ear heads at rate of 8 to 10 kg per acre when they emerge. And next, dip the ear heads in kerosinated water to kill the nymphs. We can spray the carbaryl dust, and we can also spray second time if needed, or we can use the spray Fazalone 2.5 ml per liter. So these are important management practices for sorghum ear head bug. So in this class, most important bits are shriveled chaffy grains due to the attack of sorghum ear head bug, and compact ear heads or compacted ear headed varieties are easily attacked by which pest? Sorghum ear head bug. So next thing, bright orange color abdomen and having one pair of transparent wings in sorghum meat. So these are most important bits, and also dead hearts with offensive smell, dead hearts without offensive smell, short holes on the leaves, and next thing, high seed rate. This is the most important bit, using of the high seed rate, production of side tillers due to the attack of which pest. So these are important bits from this topic. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.